If you want to use Python plugins in Krita, this video will walk you through the exact setup so you can get your plugin enabled and actually open the interface without confusion. Python plugins can add powerful new features to Krita, from custom tools and workflow helpers to extra panels and script windows that make digital art faster and easier. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials and software guides. Let's jump in. First, you need to make sure the Python plugin is enabled inside Krita. If you have not turned it on yet, go up to the top menu and click Settings, then choose Configure Krita. In the Settings window, look for the Python Plugin Manager. This is where Krita keeps control of its Python-based extensions. Once you find your plugin, check the box next to it to enable it. After that, click OK to save your changes. At this point, Krita usually needs a restart for the plugin to load properly, so close Krita completely and open it again. This step is important because many plugins will not show up until the program has restarted and fully registered the new plugin. If you skip this, you may think the plugin is broken when it is really just waiting for Krita to reload. Now that the plugin is enabled, the next step is opening its interface. Most modern Krita Python plugins use a visual user interface, and that interface usually appears in one of two ways. The first and most common type is a Docker panel. If your plugin uses a Docker, go to the top menu bar, click Settings, then open Dockers. You will see an alphabetical list of available Dockers. Find your plugin's name and click it. Krita will then anchor that panel directly into your workspace so you can keep it visible while you draw. If you do not see the panel right away, check around your workspace edges because Dockers can sometimes appear on the side or in a collapsed tab. You can drag them into a position that works best for your layout, which makes it much easier to use the plugin while painting or editing. The second type of plugin interface is a script command. If your plugin opens as a standalone window instead of a docked panel, go to the top menu and click Tools, then choose Scripts. From there, click the plugin's name to launch its interface window. This is usually used for plugins that run specific tasks, automation tools, or one-time script functions. Once the window opens, you can start using the plugin's controls, buttons, sliders, or input fields, depending on what the tool was designed to do. Some plugins need you to select a layer first. Others may require a document to be open or specific brush settings, so always read the plugin instructions if anything seems unclear. A good tip is to test the plugin on a duplicate file first, especially if it changes layers, colors, or image data. That way, you can safely learn how it behaves without risking your main artwork. Also, if a plugin does not appear after enabling it, double check that it is compatible with your version of Krita and that you restarted the app after turning it on. So to quickly recap, enable the plugin in Settings, open the Python Plugin Manager, check the box, restart Krita, and then launch the plugin either from Settings and Dockers or from Tools and Scripts, depending on how it was built. That is the core process for using Python plugins in Krita. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and let me know in the comments which plugin you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.